What's up, guys? I'm back again with another video, and this time I picked up the Mocute Gamepad controller. Just simply to play PUBG on my phone and my other iPhone. And I've been messing around with the controller for a little while, and trying to figure out how it works because it's connected via Bluetooth. But I was trying to play the game with the controller, and for some reason I've tried everything I know how to so far, and it's not working through the game. I don't know if it's like an issue, but I've also watched some videos on YouTube, and I downloaded the Octopus app thinking maybe that'll work because I've seen other players using that from China, Asia, or whatever. And I tried doing that, and I think my account was almost banned or something because it kept giving me this message. I can't tell you exactly what the message was, but it kept giving me that message. It's not on it now, but this is the controller and all that. But if any of you guys that played the game and you see this video and I need some help, I want to know how to really do this, or maybe there has to be an update rolled out for the controller to be able to work in North America and stuff like that. But as for now, it's not working, so I need a fix. I need something. If you guys have any videos that you want to recommend that has a fix, please hit me up, send me a link of that video, and I'm going to show you guys the rest of the unboxing and setup of the controller. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.